Good evening. Today is November 21, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, November 21, 2023. Here are the STL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of November 21, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.